What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games. We're sitting at 0.032. We're up 8.7 on the day. Seeing market cap 857 million. 25 volume 115 million. So let's hop into the charts. Potential WXY correction. Now we were talking about a potential head and shoulders, which could have been right here. Left shoulder head, small right shoulder, but we've seen a nice bounce. So what I would look for is left shoulder head, and now you're putting in that right shoulder. So if we get rejected here by this resistance of 0.032, we start to roll, we break that neckline. More confluence, you're coming down to our target zone. If we push up, we break this high, then the impulse is simply not over yet, and we're going to put in one more higher high before the pullback. We're already in a trade, so we're good to go if that happens, and it will be giving another signal if we come back down to our target zone. As you can see, we hit our TP3. Daily chart, we're pushing up into some pretty heavy resistance here. If we break this level, your next major level resistance all the way up at about 0.0398. Bearish divergence on the RSI as well as on the money flow. Weekly chart, we're a little bit overextended, so it would be healthy to see some pullback back down to the 20 EMA. And you also have the point of control here on the weekly chart, which is coming in at 0.024. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. If we roll over here, we create that right shoulder, we break that neckline, the target is 0.0228. And the bullish scenarios come up, break that wave 5 high, simply means that this impulse isn't over yet. We push up, grab a little bit of liquidity, stop out the short traders, and then we roll over down to our target zone. But if we get rejected here, we start to roll. Just watch that neckline because it will give you confluence of coming down to the target. All right, gang, if you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Now, not only will I give you access to my VIP rooms, but you also get a 20% bonus into your futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20. Email me to get the 20% bonus, and I will give you access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. Forex signals, Forex trade setups, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. We have over 200. How many members we have? Over 2,000, almost 2,600 members in the Discord, and you can get completely free access to my VIP rooms with the sign up to BTCC. Otherwise, it's $10 per month. Sign up through the Patreon. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.